Is coding dead in 2025? Has AI replaced all software engineers? Should you still learn to code or is it late? Today, we are answering the biggest question in tech right now, which is it still worth learning to code in 2025? Now, if you're a beginner or someone who just loves tech, this video is for you. This video will open your eyes. Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Chibike Benedict and I'm back with another mind-blowing video. You're welcome to Sketch Motion. And by the end of this video, you will know the truth about coding in 2025, whether or not you should invest your time and energy in it, and also how to start coding the right way if you choose to. Let's get into it. Now, let's discuss why is this question so? Why are people talking about technology going off? Why is this question so? Now, in the past 2 years, AI like ChatGPT, copilots have been in existence and which they write code in seconds. And also, in the past 2 years, we have seen some tech companies lay off. And also, in the past 2 years, we have seen more people entering tech than ever, but also more confusion and fear. And suddenly, everyone is asking, will AI make coding useless? Also, is it too late to start learning now? Also, has the coding bubble burst? Now, trust me, let me tell you this. The question is valid, but the panic isn't. Now, here is the truth you need to understand. Coding is not just about typing syntax. It is about solving real-world problems using logic and creativity. And that skill is more important now than ever. Now, let's talk about the myths and facts about coding in 2025. Now, the first myth is AI will kill all coding jobs. Now, for that myth, the fact is AI is just a tool. It can't think like a human. We will still need problem solvers, architects, system designers, and even debuggers. Now, the second myth is everyone knows how to code. I am too late. And let me tell you this, majority of people still don't know the basics. And also, you are never too late to start learning something valuable. Now, let's go to the myth 3. Is coding is too hard. And now the fact is, coding is more simpler than ever before now in 2025. And ever thanks to free tools, languages, and tons of community support. Now, let me tell you something. Learning to code is more accessible than ever before. Now let's go to where coding stands in today's market. Now let's talk about the current realities. There are still millions of coding jobs open everywhere. Also, companies are still hiring for front-end developer, back-end developer, AI engineer and data analyst, and even more coding job. And to know, even non-tech companies still need coders. Non-tech companies like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, education, they still need coders. Now, this is what you need to know. Coding is not just for tech companies alone. In fact, the demand for specialized coders, example AI prompt engineers, automation coders, is going up, not down. Now, here is the simple truth. Coding in 2025 is not dead. It is just evolving. Now, let's go to the future trends in coding and AI. So, guys, here are the 5 biggest trends. Number 1, AI assistant coders. Now, let's talk about the future trends in coding and AI. So, what is changing? I'm going to give you 5 biggest trends right now. Number 1, AI assistant coding. Tools like Copilot write 40 to 70% of code, and also you still need to guide and fix it. No code or low code platforms. Now, tools like Webflow, Bubble, Glide let people build app visually. 3, we have hyper automation. Companies want automation. Coders who can automate workflows will stay in demand. Number 3 is hyper automation. Companies want automation and workers who can automate workflow will be in demand. Number 4, cross cleaning is key. Coding plus another skill like marketing, finance, design equals to power. Number 5, real world problem solving is key. If you can solve problem with code, you will never be out of work. And this is what you need to know. Coding is changing shape, not losing value. Now, what are the real values of learning to code? Now, learning to code is more than a job. Now, let's go to the real value of learning to code. Learning to code teaches more than a job. It teaches logic, creativity, resilience, and even communication. Even if you never become a software engineer, coding can still get you a job and also start a tech business. Also, communicate better with team, tech, and also solve problems faster. This is what you need to take home. Coding is a superpower, not just a skill. Now let's go to the most important one in this video, which is how beginners can still survive in coding in 2025. Now, if you are worried that you are behind, let me show you and tell you the way you can get ahead. And the first ever step is pick a path. You can choose between front-end development, back-end development, AI automation, cyber mobile apps, even data. And the next step is learn smart. Now use platforms like Free Code Camp, Coursera, Scrimba, and even YouTube tutorials just like this. The next step is build projects. Now, don't just learn theories. Build stuff like to-do app, calculator, also a personal website, also a portfolio. You can do those. The fourth step is communities. Now, there are communities like Reddit, Discord, Twitter X, even GitHub. You can also connect with other people. But in the fifth step is apply early. internships, no small gigs, get real world experience. Now, you don't have to be a genius. You just need to start. This question that people ask, is it too late to start coding? Answer is no, no, no. You are not too old, you are not too late, you are not behind. In fact, you are right on time because right now we need coders. Let's go to the final verdict, which is it still worth it? And I'll answer this very simply and clearly. Yes, it is still worth it. It's still 100% worth learning to code in 2025. But you need to learn with purpose, also solve real problems, and also keep adapting. The people who win are the people who keep learning. And now the question is, will you be one of them? Now, before we end, here's what you can do. Start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Also use freecodecamp.org. Also join the coding Discord. And also you can follow this channel for more tech guidance. Also comment below. I am starting coding in 2025 if you are in. Now subscribe and turn on the bell because this is just the beginning.